Alright, this is going to be a fun test here. Loaded the hopper up with a little bit of grass seed. 2 axes because the thing's running in the rain here, but got it pretty well sealed up, so alright. And make sure everything's good on it. Yeah, grass seed shooting out of it. Well, this ought to be fun. Covered up the sides over here. Yeah, make it a little bit easier. Alright. So I'm going to open this up just a little bit. Oh yeah, it's spreading it. You just can't really see it too much. Oh, this thing's probably going to hit the failsafe here in a little bit. Okay, that's off. That's off. Come on. Fly forward, geez. Motor off, yeah. Well, it's showing it. Spinning around. Okay, so that's running. Oh crap! It emptied the hopper really quick. So yeah, now we can see inside there or not. There's just a very, very little bit left. Fill it about halfway up. Okay. So it tells me that essentially it is very effective, at least getting rid of the hopper material in there. Okay. Try to fly it again here a sec. I move a few things down here. Naza. This. And controller. Okay, I'm going to change it down to 14.7. Voltage. No load. Okay, so I'm going to change this down to 0. Right. This I'm going to change down to 0.7. Right. Okay, there we go. This way. Okay. I can at least take a look at it. I'm still recording on the fat shark, so don't really need to worry about that. But I do have to worry about all the water getting all over the place. What are we looking at here? 15-12. Motor's off a little bit. So now it gets down to 14.99.